I'm getting ready to move here soon, so today I'm going to be packing up and decluttering some of my makeup collection. I need to bag everything up because most of this is going to be put in storage. So I'm going to take some Ziploc bags and just start categorizing everything. And I'm going to start with mascaras and just bag everything up. So I do have a makeup bag that I'm going to be rotating through, and I'm going to be staying somewhere for like a couple months before I move into a new house. Well, I've been looking for a new house. So my plan is to keep everything in the clear bags, and then I'm going to put it into a clear bin so I can easily go through and rotate out my makeup collection. It's just going to make it a lot easier and make sure everything stays organized and together and not broken and lost and all that kind of thing. I am going to be decluttering some of this stuff. I'm not going to be bringing everything, and then I imagine once I get settled into my new place, I will probably do another pass. With all of these lip products, I have to have a separate bin, like a smaller clear bin, just to keep everything. I have so many lip products. I think that's pretty common for people. Like, you have way more lip products than you have other things.
Man just they ask for you see love on me. Papa you too much, oh. Man still they ask for you to love. Happy when I relate, oh. I said the bad just take baby. I'm a you let go. I say happy when I relate, oh. I said the bad just take baby. When I be met, oh.
I'm finally done with packing all of the lip products, so I'm going to move on to face stuff. So we're going to do concealers, foundations, cream blushes, powder blushes, bronzers, highlighters, and then lastly, I'm going to do like all my eyeshadow palettes. I don't have that many. I did get rid of a bunch. So I was able to speed through this. It only took me about an hour. I don't want to say only took, but I had a plan in place, and this is perfect, especially if you were staying somewhere temporarily and you don't have a lot of room. I would highly recommend this if you have a big makeup collection or any type of collection and it's stuff that you need to get a hold of. Use a big clear bin. You're going to see exactly how I pack it in a minute. So now I'm just lining everything up, biggest to smallest in the different categories, just to make it really easy. This worked so well. So I stayed somewhere for about 2 months and it just made everything so easy and so convenient. I could just go in and say like, all right, I'm looking for this blush. Let me grab this powder, whatever. So I hope that this is helpful for anyone who is moving and has a bigger makeup collection. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.